You're watching Sierra Janae. Let's go.
So I wait for my cue. So tell me straight up, up, up. I don't want it, no other way. No other way, other way. Tell me straight up, up, up. I don't want it, no other way.
Hello, beautiful people. Today is the big day. I just want to make the announcement that I'm finally going apartment hunting for the first time ever, and just moving out and being on my own. So you guys will see an apartment tour. I'm here at one of the apartments this week, just trying to start everything out. So let's get right into the vlog. Okay, you guys, so unfortunately this apartment complex office, leasing office is closed until Monday. I didn't get an email and nothing like that, so it just kind of raised a red flag for me. So I don't know about this one, so I'll have to try again next week. So see y'all next week. Okay, you guys, I'm so excited. I said I was gonna see you guys next week, but something just happened. God is good. So the plan has changed. We came over here to these apartments like really fast, and before they close at 5. So we're heading to the Kroger's, trying to get a money order, trying to put the money down on this apartment, trying to get the ball rolling. So I was so nervous and so stressed out about this whole situation. It's amazing how God has turned things around. So I'm excited, and hopefully we get to see a tour soon. I know they said they didn't have anything to show just yet, but they showed us some pictures online, and I really like how they look. But the outside of the apartment so far. So it looks pretty nice from outside. So we'll be right back, so I can't wait. So now me and my boyfriend are here at the Kroger's. I'm going to put a down payment on the apartment. So I'm getting the money order right now. And so after that, we're going to our little date. We're going to have pizza, a little date night. So I'm so excited. It takes a whole bunch of stress off me. So y'all, about to get this apartment happy. Oh, so we got this money order. We're going to go back up. I was so like stressed out, and he was like, "What's wrong with you?" I'm just stressed out and worried that I'm not gonna find an apartment in time. So, but God had a ram in the bush. So the lady told us to get a money order. I can hold it until November 25th. So guys, we'll send me move in, have an apartment tour, all that good stuff without furniture for right now. So I'm just excited. I thank God. Thank God for my boo coming with me. But we're gonna turn right on back into it. Take the drive-through. So we just put the deposit down. I'm so excited, and now we're about to go get something to eat. I think we're going to Grimaldi's, this Italian restaurant. They have pizza, so good. So I can't wait to eat there. You guys will see me in a bit. I'm so excited. parking. We're on our date at going to this restaurant called Grimaldi's. They have the best pizza in the world to me, so I can't wait. So we're about to get out now. Get ready to order our pizza. I'm the best expert in making pizza. Telling y'all, this pizza is good. Oh, the sunlight is doing me well right now.
Okay.
Jump for a ride with me. My mind has been killing me. You're the only one, but
Alright, gorgeous people, that concludes this vlog. I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog today, and I hope to post more videos like these. If you'd like to see more videos like these, please give me a big thumbs up. Also hit that notification bells for more uploads like these, and I will see you guys. If you like what you see, keep watching me, your girl Ciara Janae, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.